So I just use a different regex for my for my OTP pattern. It is nothing but a basic regular expression that I'm using, but my earlier regular expression wasn't working, so I replaced that with a new one. It is simple regex. You can find it online, or you can just take it from any of the other sites. There is no rocket science behind it. So I changed it, and just to make sure that I receive the changes, I what I say I change something here in the placeholder and a 6-digit OTP number, just to make sure that I receive the latest updates, because as we have seen, sometimes it is not taking the updates very easily. We have to refresh it a couple of times. So I'll go here, I'll refresh the screen. Refresh it one more time just to make sure that I get my changes. I enter the phone number or the mobile number, get the OTP. Okay, I received this updated placeholder, which means my changes are there. I enter a 6-digit number. See, now it is working. If I enter anything other than the 6-digit number, it won't work. Even I enter these characters, alphabets, it won't work. I enter the special characters, it won't work. When I enter only a 6-digit number, it will work. So this is working fine for us. So we have defined our new validate OTP LWC here that accepts a 6-digit OTP only. Now only thing that is remaining to do is to perform a validation on click of this button.